Because we're graphing a hypothesis, there's no one right answer, but you can use this video to help you make sure you're on the right track and that you're explaining your thinking appropriately. So we're measuring the amount of damage done to a car based on the cost to repair the car. So that's one variable, cost to repair, and we're doing it at different speeds. So speed is the second variable, and the cost to repair depends on the amount of speed. I always like to write that out at the beginning so that I have my variables for sure sorted out before I get to my graph. So the cost to repair goes on my y-axis because it's the dependent one, and speed is my x-axis because that's done independently. So how much is it going to cost to repair the car? Well, there's no accident to happen if the speed is 0. So we would expect that if the speed is 0, there's no crash, there's no cost to repair. Then it's going to increase, obviously, and it doesn't have to be a flat line. Maybe it has a little bit of a curve to it, but it could be flat. This is where you just have to explain your thinking, and it's all about just making a hypothesis. And the faster you go, the more it's going to cost. But maybe at some point, you really can't spend any more money to repair the cost of the car because you reach how much the car is worth. There's going to be a point where if you're crashing a $20,000 car and you totally total it, it's just going to cost $20,000 to replace the car. And so maybe at that point it levels off because you've reached the maximum value of the car. So now we just have to add that bit about explaining our thinking. So down here, 0 speed equals no crash. Here, will we increase? We're going to say going faster equals worse crashes and higher cost to repair. And then finally, that leveling off, we can say that we reach a maximum cost. Maximum cost is to replace the car completely. And so again, your graph might look a little bit different. Just make sure that you have fully explained your thinking for why the graph is shaped the way that you have it.